This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find stashes using Meteor client. First, ensure your Meteor client is properly installed and updated to its latest version. Open your game and activate the client's GUI. Navigate to the Search or Exploration modules within the client settings. This initial setup is crucial for accessing the necessary tools. We'll cover specific settings in the next steps to optimize your search. Now, let's configure the search modules. Locate and enable the Stash Finder or a similarly named module within Meteor client. Set your search radius to a substantial distance, perhaps several hundred blocks, to maximize your chances. Crucially, filter for common stash containers such as chests, shulker boxes, or even barrels. This ensures the client focuses on relevant items, ignoring less important blocks. Once configured, Meteor client will begin displaying potential stash locations directly on your screen. These often appear as glowing outlines or waypoints. Utilize the client's navigation features, like tracers or pathfinding, to efficiently move towards these marked spots. Remember to approach each location with caution. Other players might be nearby, so stay vigilant and be prepared for any encounters. For advanced stash finding, consider combining the Stash Finder with an X-ray module to reveal containers hidden within terrain. After successfully looting a stash, always remember to clear your tracks. Destroy any temporary blocks you placed and remove any signs of your presence to prevent others from finding your route. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. These tips will help you secure your hard-earned loot effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.